be knocking at my door. Go away, don't come around here no more. Gonna be now. Oh, it's from Bethesda. Damn, I forgot I ordered this. Well, I ordered this back in August. Oh my goodness.
Well guys, it's SkyMasters here, back with another video. We are going to be unboxing or unwrapping my brand new Bethesda custom Starfield jacket. Don't mind if I don't sound super excited. I ordered this thing back in early August, and now it's mid December here. And well, you know, I guess their version of in stock means that they will prompt the company to plant the seeds that grow the cotton so they can actually make the jacket. And well, here we are. You know, it doesn't matter if the game was a bust or not. I liked their design. The design is super cool. Their throwback colors and stripes and everything were a hit with me. I didn't care what the game was going to be like. Now, I don't like this nylon puffy stuff, but it's grown on me a little bit. I like it, and the jacket's very warm. It doesn't have the best of qualities, but it's not the worst of qualities. The patch is super quality though. This is like a very thick thread stitching. It is super cool. The patch is awesome. And I like that it's not really a walking billboard. It's more of like you belong to something. Like, what is this? It's a conversation starter. It's a very unique jacket. It is going to be something that I love. I hope that this, the color stripes up there aren't like something that's going to flake off eventually. It looks like it might be like one of those styles, but we'll see in the end. Yeah, you know, here at first glance, I could say that I don't like the cut, but it's got to look like a space jacket. The zippers and everything are at high quality. This is one of the things I like to look at and shake and pull on, and I have definitely done all this. This is a pretty decent front pouch jacket here. These are kind of odd zippers here, but I guess it has to look like a space jacket, so you got to kind of like, you climb in and out of this thing. It's a little bit weird. I love it, man. It's different. Yeah, let's go take this thing for a walk, guys. Let's go. Well, we've been out on a hike with this thing now for quite a bit, and I can tell you, it's warm. I definitely don't have just a shirt on underneath here, and it's not super cold out, but I'm almost overheating. I love the patch, man. The patch is like this woven. It's like stitched woven. Super cool, man. I think it looks really cool. I don't like this puffy nylon type of stuff, so I'm kind of like against it, but it's not that bad. If I was going to describe the craftsmanship of this thing, it's like the best. It's like Bethesda said, we want you to make this jacket. It needs to be high quality, but we want you to do it as cheap as possible. We want the highest quality cheapness. And they were like, we've got you covered. And that's a jacket. I mean, I feel like I got the value out of it. It's super unique, and I think that's where the value comes out of it. I don't care about the game or the company. I really think the jacket looks super cool, man, and that's where it comes down for me. it's unique. I don't feel like a walking billboard. I feel like it's a conversation piece. Like, what is that, man? You look like a spaceman. I think it's cool as hell. Well, overall, I could say that I think maybe I wish I would have gotten a size smaller. This is an XL, and I feel it's a little poofy on me, but I am only wearing a shirt underneath this thing, so I actually really like this thing, man. I really do. Super cool. Yeah, the hat is by Crater Lake, if anybody wants to know. By Pendleton. It is the Crater Lake series. Super cool hat, man, if anybody was asking. Yeah, SkyMaster's here. I don't think it matters if you love or hate the game. This jacket is super unique and one of a kind. Well, it's not complete until you put that custom SkyMaster's patch on there. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We're always doing custom moments like this and going on cool walks, and I would love it if you joined me.